subhanahu wa ta'ala want me to think, respond and feel about this, you know, in order to achieve the best outcome? You know, or how would the Prophet ﷺ, if he's in this situation, what might he be thinking right now? What would he focus on? Where would his attention and intention be? You know, what that question does, it helps make, you know, the ego and nafs go, oh, run away. Okay, you can't fight it, because then it makes you sort of, it's like you've cleared the path, and now you can sort of think more clearly without all the fluff. You know, because as soon as you put the Prophet ﷺ in the picture of your problem, you know, you recognize there is a higher way of looking at this, isn't it? Because that's, you know, Islam is all about ihsan and elevating the way we're thinking, and he showed us that in so many ways. So this was just one example. I remember when I came back from one training, and you know, there was one question here, I think it was the one, what else could this mean? And I wrote that on a big poster and I stuck it on my wall, and every time I was about to get upset about something, I would just look at that poster, what else could this mean? I thought, oh, okay, maybe it means I'm judging too soon, maybe it means this person didn't mean it, maybe. So what it did, that question just made me shift my focus to positive possibilities. How simple yet how powerful. So for me, you know, emotional mastery is not rocket science, but it's about these simple little things, and they make it easier for us to practice our Islam more authentically, more effectively, isn't it? Inshallah. So that's it for me. What I would like to do is, well, first of all, a big thank you. I'm going to, of course, for me, all the thanks, it's, you know, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has enabled, you know, this, for me, He is Al-Alim. All the knowledge comes from Him. You know, we don't own a drop of it. We're honoured to have the gifts He's given us, our mind, our heart, you know, which will return back to Him. So everything good is from Him. So if there's any errors in the book, that's from me. And of course, you know, we praise our Prophet ﷺ, who showed us the living Quran, how to live it. So thank you everyone for coming.